everyone, it's Margie from the Westchester Children's Museum, and I hope everybody's doing well. We miss you so much down here at the museum, but we hope you are all safe. So today I wanted to bring you a fun experiment. So today we actually are going to make a volcano erupt. Before we get started, what's a volcano? How is a volcano formed? What is that stuff that comes out of a volcano when it erupts? So a couple things to think about. First of all, a volcano is a mountain. It's a mountain with a big hole in it. And it takes thousands of years for a volcano to be formed or created. What happens is when a volcano erupts, all the rocks that are down below beneath the Earth's surface get hot. They get so hot that they melt. And once they melt, pressure builds up in the volcano occasionally and pushes all of those hot rocks out of the volcano, and it becomes lava, which is red, hot liquid that you see running down out of a volcano. So we're going to talk more about volcanoes, but let's get started with what we need for our experiment. So what you need for this experiment today is just a few things from your kitchen. So what you need is some masking tape. You can pick any color you like, but this would be for the sides of your volcano. You need a tablespoon, a pair of scissors, you need 1 cup of vinegar, you need some baking soda from your kitchen, so you can just fill a bowl, and you're going to need some red food coloring for your lava. You're also going to need a good place to do this experiment because it gets pretty messy. You're going to need either a piece of cardboard or a tray to put your volcano on. And you're also going to need one more thing. You're going to need a cup for inside your volcano to where we're going to put all that you need for this experiment and to make your volcano erupt. So let's get started with doing the experiment together. Let's get started first with building our volcano. I actually started to create one and we'll finish it up together. So I took the sour cream container and I taped it to the bottom of a piece of cardboard to make sure it was sturdy. And then what I did is I took my duct tape and I cut strips of about 8 inches to 12 inches. And I started to put each strip around my container. I started at the top and went to the bottom of my cardboard. Now we need to get to a place where we don't see any holes. Down here we see some holes, so we have to fill those with our tape. So let's put a couple extra pieces there. Okay, there's one. I think we need about 3 here. There is 2. And we have the last little hole there. I also want to make sure my tape is really secure at the top before I put our liquid in our volcano. And here's our last piece. So I'm going to cover that little hole right there. And there is our volcano. So next, what you want to do is you want to take red food coloring, and we want to put a couple drops of food coloring into 1 cup of vinegar. So I'm going to put 4 drops. There we go. And I'm going to stir it a little bit so that my water or my lava looks really red. So next what we're going to do is I'm going to pour it right into the center of the container. So I'm going to pour it in. Okay. And I'm going to show you what this looks like a little bit closer up. You can see in the container. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to put just 1 tablespoon of baking soda in. So let's get ready. Put your observation caps on. And 1, 2, 3. Whoa! So what happened? And why? So I used baking soda and I used vinegar. So vinegar is an acid. The baking soda is a base. I combined both of those together and I created a chemical reaction. The chemical reaction that I created, or the new thing that I made by doing that, is carbon dioxide. I made carbon dioxide, which is a gas, and comes in forms of tiny little bubbles. So the reaction of those two things together caused my volcano to erupt. So you can have some fun later on with this. What you can do is you can add different colors. You can add 2 colors at one time, or you can even try adding a little dish soap. That could be fun. What happens then? And I challenge you all to look up and read books about volcanoes. Volcanoes can form underwater and erupt. And they actually form islands then. So that's it. That's our experiment for today. We'll see you again next time and hope that everyone is safe. It's Margie again from the Westchester Children's Museum, and have a great day and stay tuned for some more fun videos from us.